Welcome to our channel, where we explore the world of finance and economics. Today we're going to talk about the relationship between humans and money. Money is an essential part of our lives, but how much money is enough? Let's dive right in. Basic needs. Money is necessary to fulfill our basic needs, like food, shelter, and clothing. The amount of money needed to fulfill these needs can vary depending on where you live, but having enough money to provide for these basic necessities is essential for survival. Lifestyle. Money can also influence our lifestyle choices. Some people may prefer a simpler, minimalist lifestyle, while others may enjoy luxury and extravagance. The amount of money needed to support these lifestyles can vary widely, and it's up to each individual to determine what they value most. Goals. Money can help us achieve our goals. Whether it's saving for a down payment on a house or paying for a child's education, having enough money can make these goals achievable. It's important to set realistic financial goals and work towards them consistently. Peace of mind. Having enough money can provide peace of mind. Financial stress can be a major source of anxiety for many people, and having enough money to cover unexpected expenses and emergencies can reduce this stress and provide a sense of security. Balance. Ultimately, the amount of money needed to feel good is subjective and varies from person to person. It's important to find a balance between meeting our financial needs and pursuing our passions and interests. Outro. And there you have it, the relationship between humans and money. While the amount of money needed to feel good is subjective, it's important to prioritize our basic needs, work towards our goals, and find a balance between financial stability and pursuing our passions. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more insights into the world of finance and economics.